Welcome to this tutorial on customizing your header in Selldone Page Builder. We'll guide you through adjusting the style of your store's top navigation, logo, and menu for a professional look. Note: the top menu isn't added by default in the Page Builder. To add it, go to Store Settings Menu Header. Then return here to Page Builder to customize it under Page Menu. Let's get started. There are multiple settings available for customization. For example, you can adjust the header position or select transparent to have the menu overlay on the banner image. If the colors of your background image and menu text are too similar, making the text hard to read, you can improve visibility by selecting either the dark or light option. Click here to modify the background color of the top menu. This option allows you to choose a color that complements your design, enhancing the appearance and visibility of your menu items against the header background. You can customize both the color and its transparency to achieve the exact look you want. Adjusting these settings allows you to create a background that complements your overall design while maintaining clarity and style. That wraps up our guide on adjusting the header design in Selldone Page Builder. By following these steps, you can create a header that aligns perfectly with your store's branding and enhances the overall user experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy building!